Hello, so today I want to test a tool called Tiny Builder, Tiny 11 Builder. It's a tool to create a compact version of a ISO file, to modify it, to create like a custom windows without some apps or like the default apps, services. Well, let's see. So to download it, you will need to go to GitHub. Let's extract here. So to use it, you will need to mount the ISO file. Let's mount it. It will take some time, so until Windows decides to mount it, so we'll need to wait. Yeah, I don't know why it takes this time. Ask no open. What's this folder? Okay. Anyways. Okay, it's mounted as D. Okay, let's open the... Wrong! If you have the edition that has 22.6.21 with any ending, you will need this one, with the 5 to whatever, because it won't work. That's my first error. And here comes my second error. This tool doesn't work if your folder where is this file, like script, has a space in it. So if you are going to use this script to create a Tiny Windows installation ISO, make sure to not put spaces in the name of the folder that there is this script, because it won't work. And now the video. Yeah, so it's a little bug in the script, as I saw. I think it could be solved with what I did on the video, but anyways, just rename your folder. And also don't forget to run it as administrator, because I forgot to do it. Let me try this one, because the other one gave me errors, so let's try with this one. Oh yeah, elevated, yeah. D. Enter image index, a 6. Okay, let's launch VirtualBox. So on the third try, it worked. Finally. So yeah, this is Windows, Tiny Windows. Is Windows updates not here? No, it's here. Okay. So yeah, it's a clean version of Windows. There is Windows Store. I'm thinking even on using it. You still, let me check. Yeah, you can log into your Windows account, so yeah. Thank you for watching, see you next time. To be clear, we can't expect the same level of quality from this tool from these windows as we could expect from the original Windows. And in the end, it's a cool tool, but make sure to test everything. If you have errors, try a different files, because there are 3 versions, so try different versions. And that's all. Thank you for watching. See you next time.